Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. If this is your first time here, welcome. And in this video, I wanted to do a review on the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. I also want to share with you 15 ways that I currently use this pochette for. And at the end, I will give you my personal opinion about it and if it's worth it or not. There's a lot to go through, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so here I have all three mini pochettes. I have it in a demi azur, I have it in a demi ebene, and the monogram print. The current price for this is $365 as of May of 2020. There was a price increase recently, and there was an amazing YouTuber who did a phenomenal job about the current Louis Vuitton price increases. I will make sure to link her channel because she breaks it down for you. I believe she has a total of 25 with a spreadsheet, which I absolutely love, of the past and current. I believe it's past, the increase, and the current price. So make sure to check her out because I thought it was great. But that would give you an idea on how popular some of these styles are, and mini pochette is by far one of the most popular. It is constantly out of stock, and it's an item that if you are looking for, you just have to continue to check the pre-love market as well as the Louis Vuitton website. When I purchased these, I pretty much had to go to like different Louis Vuitton stores and be on a wait list, and I believe that I was on the wait list for the monogram. So it is a piece that a lot of people look after, and for a good reason. A lot of people call these pochettes a mini purse, a catch-all, a mini everything, and I agree with that, as I will show you pictures very shortly. Now, what I like about the mini pochettes is how flexible this mini pochette really is. You can style this in so many different ways. A lot of people use it like so, or you can also put it around your wrist, and I've even seen YouTube videos where people put a strap around it and you can use it as a little crossbody. So there are a lot of ways for you to use this, and of course depending on your cell phone, because my cell phone does not fit in the mini pochette. That's the only thing, but other than that, you can pretty much use it and style it as you wish. I think one of the good things about the canvas that I like it more than if, let's say, if it was like leather, is because of the flexibility of it. It's kind of deceiving. It doesn't look like a lot of it would fit, but it definitely does. And it's a perfect piece for travel. It's one of the reasons why I have all three of them, because there are times where I have traveled with these and I use one for one thing and one for another, as you will see very soon. Another thing that I like about it is that it fits in pretty much any type of handbag. You can definitely fit this into a small, medium, and of course large and extra large bags, but that is also one of the good things about this piece and why it is so popular. So as the last thing that I would say in terms of the review, I think it is a good piece for you to start your luxury collection with, but just keep your eye on it. It will come back. Just be mindful that sometimes Louis Vuitton and these luxury brands do this where they increase the prices right away and then it's out of stock because people then are starting to realize it's in high demand and let me just go and get that. And then they bring it back, and it could be that maybe at this time with everything going on, either they're going to change the mini pochette or they're going to discontinue it. No announcement has been made, but just be mindful of that it creates like a demand, and for a good reason. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stop blabbing for you guys. So I'm actually going to use my favorite monogram print to share with you how I use this. I do have my phone here because there is quite a lot of pictures that I need to go through. So as I bring up the picture, I will describe to you what I use it for. Now, not everything that you're going to see is going to be inside the mini pochette because I wanted you to actually see the items that I personally use, but I do want to say that everything does fit. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the 15 ways to use the mini pochette. All right, so let's jump right into it. So the first way that I like to use the mini pochette is for fashion accessories. And here I have a picture of 3 pairs of earrings and a bracelet. I like to plan my outfits in advance, and I also like to do that with my accessories. I try to not bring too many things, and so I try to keep it to a minimum. But these are some earrings that I pretty much would use on vacation because they pretty much go with any outfit. You can definitely use it for more accessories if you like. The second picture is what I like to call my first aid kit. I do have a 5-year-old and we often go out to the park, weather permitting of course, and I like to bring things because, you know, they're just kids. They run around a lot, sometimes they get hurt, and so I like the mini Pochette to put in all of these supplies in case I need it. I have everything from a band-aid to ointment to scissors, you name it. So it's perfect for that. The third one is for office supplies. If you work outside the home, or maybe you like to go outside and do work, or go and work in a cafe whenever we can do that again, this is a great piece to also have for your office supplies. I constantly use it for that. So here I have a highlighter, actually 2 highlighters, flags, which I love, some paper clips, butterfly clips, post-it notes, and a pen. Okay, so the other picture is my on-the-go manicure kit, and I like to do my own nails, and sometimes we are pressed for time, and so I like to take with me the things that I like to use. You always need a nail clipper, the nail filer. I have removable pads that I like to use, nail polish pads, and the nail polish and the base coat that I love to use. All right, so the other one is for tech, and here I have a pair of wireless earbuds. I have here some headphones. I have here rechargeable battery, and also some extra stuff to charge my cell phone, or maybe I need to charge a camera or something like that. So this is definitely something good for you to keep all of your tech stuff in the mini Pochette. The other one is, of course, probably the most popular one, and that is a little mini handbag. Here I have my YSL card case, which I absolutely love, and I also have my Prada 6-key holder. I actually did a review on this, so I will make sure to link it. Check it out because you can fit quite a few things in the 6-key holder, especially in the Prada one. All right, the other one is for on-the-go teas. Now, I like to bring my own teas, especially when I do fly. I love to travel, but I do get anxiety on the flight. So I don't know, I just have this thing about planes sometimes. And so I like to bring my green tea, especially when I eat something that I'm not used to and maybe there's no other options. I like to drink my green tea. It just kind of sits well with my stomach after that. And also the chamomile, just so my anxiety kind of lowers a little bit. So that's why I have this. But of course you can be creative with this, but this is perfect to keep your teas when you travel. All right, and then the other one, of course, is the makeup bag. A lot of people use this for makeup. Here I have my Chanel mirror. I also have a lip gloss. I have a lipstick, 2 lipsticks, and I have lip balm. You can also use this for other makeup, but this is pretty much how I usually use it when I'm on the go. The other one is for snacks. I am a huge snacker. Part of it is because when I started losing some weight many moons ago, I tend to eat quite a bit, and I snack, especially when I'm stressed out. And so I'm trying to be healthy by not eating the wrong snacks. So here I have some nuts that, yes, I measure, and some Kind bars and some peppermint candy, which I absolutely love. And I also have those candies when I have anxiety. Go figure. All right, so the other one is for medicine. And here when I travel, I cannot go anywhere without my vitamins. I actually have this that I got at the 99-cent store, the Dollar Tree store. It keeps all of your pills and vitamins or medicine organized because it's dated with the date of the month, the date of the week. So here I have my vitamins. I have some Advil, which I like to take, and some Benadryl. The other way that I like to use it is as a antibacterial kit on the go. With everything going on, I think this is something that a lot of us are going to start having or using more often. And so carrying this is something that I like to, especially when I am around my son. I have here some mask, I have some antibacterial sanitizers, and I also have a pair of gloves. And of course, I don't go anywhere without my Ziploc bags. The other one, again, is very kid-friendly if you have kids at home. I have here the off that I use when we go out to the park a lot. I also have the Mederma for kids, just in case he does get a scratch. I just like to use the Mederma right away. And of course, a little Lysol bottle so I can disinfect anything that he is using. The other way that I like to use this is For hair accessories, here I have a on-the-go hairspray, a small hairbrush, I have a butterfly clip, and of course some twisties. If you work long hours in the office, or you have places to go maybe after work, or you have a meeting to get ready for, or maybe you're out walking or whatever it is, I like to carry sometimes all of my hair stuff. This way I am always prepared. The other one is for personal hygiene, and this is all about keeping your clean teeth and fresh breath on check. I have here some white strips, which I like to pack when I do travel. I tend to drink a lot of coffee, and so when I am relaxing, I like to take my white strips and use them. Some floss, of course. I also have a disposable. I don't like to call it disposable because I use it more than once, but I do have a small toothbrush from my pharmacy, and then I also have a one of those extra heads for my electric toothbrush, and of course I have my Colgate mouthwash. All right, and the last way that I use this for is for personal products. So this is all about for women. I have to say that this does work very well, and I have here everything that you can think of, and yes, what's inside that little gray bag is an extra pair of undies. It happens, okay? So there's nothing wrong with that, and I know this is internet, but we gotta be real. I mean, I am keeping it real. So yes, that is a pair of extra underwear. All right, guys, so that is how I use the mini pochette. I share with you 15 ways. Please let me know what you guys thought about it, and of course, share how you guys use it. Now, as a final note, do I think the mini pochette is worth it? Without a doubt. And even with the price increase, as we discussed earlier, I do think it is worth it. Keep your eye on it if it's something that you definitely want on your wish list. It is something that you will definitely enjoy. And check again the pre-loved market, and just keep checking the Louis Vuitton website. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.